Alright, now I've got 1.5 panels of backer board up. I put some more backing there on that, along that wall there for the backer board when it's still there. I added another stud there to mount the backer board against this wall. And this wall over here, that stud to the right of the one in the corner is recessed a little bit. So I'll put a shim in there to even those guys out, and then I'll mount backer board on this area right here. That area right there. And I'll surprise our setting tile tomorrow. Now I glued a shim in that stud, evening out with the stud to the left of it, and now I can mount the last section of backer board on that wall. So I installed 3 panels of backer board, and above each panel is a slight gap. That one, I'm going to fill that in with Bondo. It's pretty narrow. These 2 over there, I'm going to cut a piece of backer board and glue it in there with construction adhesive caulk. Gotta work pretty fast with this Bondo because it sets up in about 30 seconds. So I'll get some of the hardener on there. Alright, now I got that gap filled with some Bondo, and I'll cut a strip of backer board to fill the ones over on this guy here.